Bark, George. Storytime with Bloomy. George's mother said, "What do you think will happen to the mother dog with the long golden body? There's something serious on her face."
Bark, George.
George went,
"Meow."
"Oh my gosh. Why does George go meow? That's weird, right?"
No, George,
said George's mother.
Cat goes meow. Dogs go arf. Now, bark, George.
George went,
quick.
"Oh, George made a duck noise this time. Is it because George likes ducks? George keeps making weird noises, so George's mom must be in a bad mood? Let's look at the next story."
No, George,
said George's mother.
Ducks go quack quack. Dogs go arf. Now, bark, George.
George went,
오잉크.
No, George,
said George's mother.
Pigs go oink. Dogs go arf. Now, bark, George.
George went,
무.
George's mother took George to the vet,
"I'll soon get to the bottom of this.
said the vet.
Please bark, George."
George went,
미야오.
The vet reached deep down inside of George. Why did the vet put his hand into George's body? Is there something in George's body? What do you think? And pulled out a cat. What a surprise! There was a cat inside George's body. The reason George went meow was because of the cat in George's body. George's mother and George must have been very surprised too.
"Bark again, George."
George went,
quick.
The vet reached deep down inside of George. And pulled out a duck. Such a weird thing. A duck which is bigger than George was in George's body.
"Bark again, George."
George went,
오잉크.
The vet reached deep down inside of George. And pulled out a pig. But is this possible? It's surprising and marvelous that George had a cat, a duck and a pig in his body.
"Bark again, George."
George went,
무.
The vet put on his longest latex glove. Then he reached deep down inside of George. And pulled out a cow. Oh, I can't believe it. How could a cow, so much bigger than George, come out of George's tiny body?
Bark again, George. Well, what kinds of sound, George, will go now? Will George go sound like a puppy or another animal? This is a moment I'm really looking forward to.
George went.
알프 알프 알프.
Finally, he did it. At this touching moment, the vet and George's mother are so excited, they're jumping around. George's mother was so thrilled that she kissed the vet. And the cat, and the duck, and the pig, and the cow. On the way home, she wanted to show George off to everyone on the street. So she said,
Bark, George.
George went.